So imagine encountering a crocodile and being left with a wish to walk. That's Nigel Gale's reality. He's joined by Marvin Moody, who a videographer who works here with us, who wrote in on his behalf. Good morning to you both. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning.
Mr. Gale,
Yes,
good
sir.
to meet you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the story.
On March 2019, I was working at my electrical table, just feel a little stressed out and just feel to work and fresh my brain. And due to that place where I get the damage, I just walk to get a fresh in my mind.
Out.
Yeah. And at that moment, I end up with a, what I call it now, go there standing at the edge of the water, about 2 feet from the water. I only just feel something like a piece of wood just bounce me on my foot. And next thing, I only feel water going up to my throat. So the best thing my understanding would tell me, say, close your breath and go down. And the timing feel like about 5 minutes or more underwater. I don't know if I was spinning or what. But the first stop I recognized the water reached me about my waist. And when I recognize me up, by the time me up and catch a breath, it's like the crocodile recognize him not dead. So you have me again, about the next 5 minutes or more. Have me again, and while going through that water, it's like something keep on saying to me, say, what next to do? What next to do? And I say, Father, really? Come, at the same time, when that thinking was going to the lungs almost lock off.
Because you're under the water for so long.
Under the water, remember, I can't catch breath,
I
can't put out none.
Right.
So, ask Father, what next? I don't know what to do next. So,
by this time, the croc has your foot.
I have my foot.
Have you by the foot and thrashing you around under the water?
I don't know if it's flashing or spinning or what. I know that something not right. When I barely open my eye, I can see like one little bitty light way up, so I don't know how weird on the water I'm there or what.
Wow.
I'm tell Father, I saw you go. So it happened as when I tell me to come back up, I find myself half out of water again. And something say, grab it.
Grab the mouth.
Grab it. I don't know what it says for grab. But it say, grab it. And when it said grab it, I look down. And when I grab it, I don't know if I want my finger, juke in my eye, or just touch him let go. But from grab it, I only feel my foot swing back. And from the swing back, my mind just say, land. And the land was about 50 feet from where I was in the water.
How did you make it to land?
I could do a little swimming. Maybe if I was walking, you would have grabbed me again.
So the crocodile actually came out of the water and grabbed you and pulled you in the water?
Yeah, from about 2 feet, the water about 2 feet from me at the moment. Wow. And grabbed me in.
So you made it to land, and when you made it to land, what did you realize, so nice?
In the name of Father, Father said to me, say, when I come out and put the first foot, I recognize this one go down nice, put the other one I hear, click. That means, say, no foot not there, a bone. So, when I come out and recognize, say, I'm out there, I said to me, say, go into the fridge. Make sure you're going on the fridge. And while going on to the fridge, something say, the voice said to me again, tie the foot, for to make blood leak out. tight.
Were you bleeding heavily at that point?
I don't
I
know.
don't remember.
I won't can't tell, but he said, take out the belt in the pants and tie the foot. And I tied. He said, go in the fridge. And while I'm in the fridge, it's a voice said to me, say, if you could just put on one foot of your shoes and get a piece of stick, you could take your time, make it home. But when I put on the shoes, I say, where am I? Nothing like that. So, but I tell myself, Father, I just say, Father, look like I'm here for the night.
Wow.
Not a nice idea.
So how long did it take you to get help, Jonah?
It was from about 5 o'clock, 5:30 in the evening. And I go through the night.
You went through the night?
Yes. Yes, miss. Go through the night. While going through the night, each time I open my eye, I can recognize the place bright, but on a day, moonshine night. And while I'm there, I have a prayer. I say, Father, can't move, I don't know what next. The next time, I don't know if I sleep well or knock out or what. But it said, open your eye and lift up your head. While I was in the fridge, it said, lift up my head and look out. I can look and see the crocodile lie down out there, just in my head, like him waiting on something to come out. And the voice would say, thank you. The voice would say something, make a sound, even like a dog. And I go make sound, and him turn. You can see that nice one. I don't know the all tall, but you can see him turn. And I don't know again. It just fade out.
All right, we're going to jump in because we're going to run out of time here. Marvin, you got involved. Why?
Okay.
Well, I'm a native of St. Thomas, right? So my aunt, Mitzi Thompson, known as Janet, she has a community outreach program in the Hearties community. And she told me of the story. So I was familiar with the story, but I never had a face to it. But she told me that she knew Nigel. I've never met Nigel. This is the first I'm meeting him. But I was just moved by the whole story and reached out to the production team, and wrote in on his behalf. And I'm just here seeking help for him because he woke up with the leg the morning he lost his leg, and he doesn't have one now.
So you finally got help at daybreak. Some passers-by heard you, and by that time it was too late to save the leg. Sir Nige. Bacteria from the croc had caused the damage to get too far, so they had to take it off. But you can wear a prosthetic leg, right?
Yes.
Is what you've been told.
Yes.
But that comes at a cost of, I think, $550,000. A few weeks ago, our friends from NCB stopped by, the NCB Foundation actually, and they gifted us with $250,000. So now we're going to give that money to you, so you can put that towards getting the prosthetic leg. The company that we have spoken to who provides the prosthetic leg is willing to provide the leg at a discount of, what did you say, Shona? Tell
10%.
me. A 10% discount for the remaining $300,000. Here's what I'm asking Jamaica. So we have $250. Thank you, NCB Foundation. Thank you to the company for the discount. Surgex for the discount of 10%. I don't know math. I can't work it out. But we need the rest of the money so that Sir Nige can get his leg. So can we rally? Just everybody. Can we just rally? If it's a $1,000 you have, if it's a $5,000 you have, if it's $100 you have, can we rally to raise the rest of that money? Is there a corporate entity that's watching? Are you an individual who can afford to spend that money so that this gentleman can see his way clear, to not have to use these
A crutch.
that he walked in on this morning, because our hearts are so big that we are able to fit him with a prosthetic leg for his left leg. Can we do that, Jamaica? Can we do that? Is there somebody watching? Is there an entity watching? Are there some folks watching? I know we can do it. I'm not even going to ask. So let's do it. Let's get together and let's get it done. But you're on your way, Sir Nige?
Yes,
Right?
miss.
You can take these and put them somewhere. Somebody else might need them. Maybe you can donate them. But I am telling you today that
Yes,
you're not going to need them for much longer. All right?
Okay.
Presentation.
Okay. So here is the, Marvin has it. Go ahead, Marvin.
Here you go. Here, nice.
So that is from Sir Jakes, right?
Thank
No,
you
that's
very
from
much.
NCB.
That is from
check.
NCB. Okay.
Yes. So
Okay.
I wish, but the thing though, Simone, he's a breadwinner, and he was able-bodied, you know.
Yeah.
So I can imagine the impact on his family.
Yeah.
So I just want to, on behalf of NCB, I just want to thank NCB for this check, and I wish you all the best, and hope you get back your independence and your mobility.
Okay.
All right,
Yeah.
thanks to Marvin for
Thank you
writing
very
in for Nigel. We know this is at the full cost, but we know it will help along with the contributions we know he will receive. More on our grand wish list show when we come back from the break. Stay with us, please. So come.